Hey guys, so here's my new Hoover floor mate I got from someone's apartment dumpster. This thingy I found, they threw it out because the cord was broken. So I fixed it all up and it seems to work good. So I put it on vacuum, so whatever you do, do not use the solution or squeeze the solution trigger, because that's for your safety. Well, this is why I do it in a video. So let's put it here. Ugh. Okay, this is a good vacuum. I fixed it. Yay! So this is a good vacuum cleaner. This is what I found at the dumpster. This nice lime green color. So I really wanted. It also comes with the settings, which is vacuum, wash, and wet pickup. And the buttons on the handle sounds like this. Also, this is a vacuum I got, so I'll be doing some hard floor cleaning soon, and I'll be doing that video. So for your safety, I repeat again, when you use it on dry vac, do not use cleaning solution or use the squeeze the solution trigger, because that'll affect the vacuum. Also, I'll be doing it on wash soon, and then I'll do it on wet pickup. And I wanted to show you that nice vacuum cleaner I got. Well, anyways, thank you for watching, and hope to subscribe at Richard David Jordan. Okay, bye-bye.